How to search for classes on Skillshare. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can search for classes easily on Skillshare. The first thing to do is to visit skillshare.com, then log in into your account. And so once you're logged in, automatically you would see the different classes that are available on Skillshare. But then there are different classes and different categories. So if you want to search for specific classes, it is very simple. All you need to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see the option search for classes, skills, teachers. So click on that and then enter in the particular class that you're looking for. All right, you can also make use of filters by moving to the left side of the screen where you can see the browse option. Once you can see that, click on it. And then once you click on the option, you can see the different categories of classes available. This will help you filter your search and make it much more easier. So if you're looking for a class on art and illustration, just click on that. And then after clicking on art and illustration, classes majorly on this particular category would be displayed, and then you can go ahead and search for it. But then if you still can't find the exact one you need, move to the left side of the screen. Under art and illustration, you will see other categories that you can use to streamline your search. So if you want to focus on illustration, basically select that, and then it will load, and classes based on illustration would be the only one displayed to you. And then you can go ahead and look for the one that suits you best. Or if you have a particular class in mind, just go to the top part of the screen here and then go ahead and type out the particular class that you would like to attend. All right, for example, I typed voiceover, just click enter, and then classes based on what I just typed would be displayed, and I can go ahead and explore it and select the one that I would like to use. So this is how simple it is. This is very, very simple. This is how you can search for classes easily on Skillshare. Easy to use, easy to navigate through, and sure you try it today. Thank you for watching, and ensure you leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.